First and foremost, I would like to start by expressing our sincere appreciation to the Director General Lal and the Mauritius Revenue Authority for allowing us to host this workshop here at the Mauritius Revenue Authority training facilities and providing sufficient support for all of the matters leading up to the training, which everyone knows there's a lot that goes into planning these. And we are really grateful for you to not just allow us to be here, but to provide that support from your agency so we can put this training on. As Mr. Dial stated, my name is Leah Tanner. I'm a special agent with the FBI, and I was lucky enough to be selected for a position here in Mauritius where I will be working with all of the agencies that are represented here today for at least 2 years. And so this is the first chance that we have within the Bureau to be in this country full-time, and we are ecstatic to be able to build some of these relationships and work with you moving forward. I'd also like to extend a huge thank you to the U.S. Embassy and the Bureau of International Narcotics and Law Enforcement Affairs, who've provided the necessary support for us to be here for all of these areas to us to continue working on areas of mutual interest. Our program is going to focus heavily on providing direct case mentoring to investigative and prosecutorial agencies within 4 Western Indian Ocean territories. We're going to provide necessary training based on the unique needs of all of the agencies here. And so we are looking to really dive in with the different agencies and find out what is the biggest need so that we can tailor our training approaches to get everyone what is really needed here in Mauritius to tackle the financial crime that we see. I've had the pleasure of being able to sit within multiple agencies that are represented here today over the last few months, and I have been blown away by the enthusiasm from investigators to tackle these issues. And it is so overwhelming for us to come into a country as, kind of new and experiencing this new environment and having so many agencies come together, support us being here, but also focus heavily on all of the great work that's being done. So our goal here is not to come in and tell anyone what to do. Our job is to come in and see how we can help. If there's anything we can bring to the table, we no doubt have cases that cross over jurisdictions. There are going to be cases that have a U.S. nexus, and we are here to bring that together and find how we can work together so that we all are successful in our future cases. And so we're really excited to kick off our presence here in Mauritius, and we're very lucky to also have, I have a counterpart in Seychelles who is also there for 2 years, Mr. Jeff Reese, who is also going to be here for the training. And so we're really looking forward to spending the week with you, talking about topics of mutual interest, but actually hearing from you. This is an interactive process, and we are very excited to have everyone here. And again, thank you to the support for all of the agencies that have representatives here. Without the support from all of these agencies, we'd never be able to do any of this. And so we look forward to all of these open discussions and working cases and planning things with you in the future.